Most gardeners make the same mistake with compost. They spread it on the surface, wait months for results, and assume that's the fastest way to improve soil. It isn't. In fact, if your soil is struggling right now, there's a much faster way to put compost to work. By turning finished compost into a biologically active liquid, you can help restore microbial activity, improve nutrient availability, and give tired soil a jumpstart in a matter of days instead of months. The problem with waiting is that weak soil often leads to weak plants. Growth slows, leaves lose color, and many gardeners respond by adding more fertilizer. But fertilizer can't fix a soil biology problem. One thing I've learned from testing this method in raised beds, containers, and vegetable gardens is that understanding your soil matters just as much as feeding it. That's why I regularly use a 4-in-1 soil moisture meter that measures moisture, pH, temperature, and sunlight intensity. Sometimes what looks like a nutrient deficiency is actually poor moisture management or a pH issue. I'll leave the exact one I use in the description if you want to check it out. It helps eliminate a lot of guesswork before problems become serious. Now let's look at why liquid compost works so differently from ordinary compost applications. What makes compost tea so powerful? Finished compost contains billions of beneficial microorganisms. These microbes help break down organic matter, release nutrients, and support healthy root development. The problem is that when compost is applied in solid form, it takes time for those organisms to spread throughout the soil. Liquid compost speeds up that process by carrying microbes and soluble nutrients directly into the root zone. Think of it as delivering the most active part of compost exactly where it's needed. I've seen neglected garden beds respond surprisingly fast after a few applications. Not because the liquid contains huge amounts of nutrients, but because it helps restart the biological processes that make nutrients available in the first place. Here's the simple method I use. The best results start with fully finished compost. It should smell earthy, not sour or rotten. If the compost still contains large undecomposed materials, let it finish breaking down before using it. For a basic batch, place 1 part finished compost into a bucket and add 5 parts non-chlorinated water. Rainwater works extremely well, but if you're using tap water, let it sit for about 24 hours before mixing. Stir the mixture thoroughly and allow it to sit in a shaded area for 24 to 48 hours. Stir occasionally during that period. Once finished, strain the liquid through a fine mesh, old cloth, or screen. The dark liquid that remains is what many gardeners call liquid gold. And there's one application mistake you should avoid, which I'll explain in a moment. How I use it to reset tired soil in raised beds: I apply the liquid directly around the root zone at roughly 2 to 4 liters per square meter. In containers, I water until the soil is thoroughly saturated and a small amount begins draining from the bottom. For gardens that have been struggling for a long time, I usually repeat the treatment every 7 to 10 days for about 3 applications. The goal isn't to drown the soil in compost tea. The goal is to introduce enough biological activity to help the soil begin functioning properly again. One of the first improvements I often notice is better moisture behavior. Soil starts absorbing water more evenly, and plants appear less stressed during hot weather. What happens underground after application? Most of the action happens where you can't see it. Beneficial bacteria and fungi begin colonizing the root zone. These organisms help break down organic materials already present in the soil, releasing nutrients that plants can actually use. At the same time, microbial activity improves soil structure. Tiny soil particles begin forming stable aggregates that create better airflow and water retention. In one raised bed I worked with, tomato plants had become stunted despite regular feeding. After several liquid compost applications, the soil became noticeably easier to work, and plant vigor improved dramatically over the following weeks. The interesting part is that we didn't add large amounts of fertilizer. We improved the biological engine that was already there. The mistake that ruins results: one of the biggest mistakes gardeners make is using unfinished compost. If the compost hasn't fully matured, the liquid can contain undesirable microbes and compounds that may stress plants rather than help them. Another mistake is letting the mixture sit too long without oxygen. Once compost tea becomes stagnant and foul-smelling, it loses much of what makes it useful. Fresh batches consistently perform better than old ones. And don't assume stronger is always better. Extremely concentrated mixtures aren't necessarily more effective. Consistency matters more than intensity. Why this works especially well in older garden beds. Many productive gardens eventually reach a point where yields begin declining even though fertilizer is still being added. This often happens because soil biology becomes less diverse and less active over time. Liquid compost helps restore those biological communities. Instead of supplying isolated nutrients, you're helping rebuild the relationships between microbes, roots, water, and organic matter. That's why the effects often extend beyond simple plant growth. Soil texture improves. Water infiltration improves. Root development improves. Everything becomes more efficient. The bigger lesson most gardeners miss: the healthiest gardens aren't always the ones receiving the most fertilizer. They're usually the ones with the most active soil biology. When the microbial system is functioning well, nutrients cycle naturally, roots grow deeper, and plants become more resilient to stress. Liquid compost is powerful because it strengthens that system rather than trying to replace it. If there's one thing to remember, it's this: compost isn't just a fertilizer. It's a living tool that can help rebuild soil from the ground up when used correctly. If you found this helpful, subscribe.